everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete photo on Peachat. So without any further ado, let's dive right in. Simply open your Peachat application. Click on the icon on the top left corner. Click on Edit Your Profile. Click on the photo that you want to delete. Click on the 3 vertical dot on the top right corner. Tap on Delete in the first row. And if you are sure, then tap on Delete once again. And that is how you can easily delete photo on Peachat. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment below your questions and feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you do not miss our upcoming videos.